Hi ma'am. Ma'am, balikan ko lang yung libel case ni Representative Leviste against you. Natanggap niyo na po ba yung complaint? And what is the advice of the President for you to do?
Personal ko na kasi yan. Well, anyway, Friday siya final. Monday, Tuesday, I don't think there is already a raffle to know the branch of the court. So wala pa po tayo. And I will not get the copy personally. I will just wait for the sheriff to serve the summons to me personally. Walang advice ang Pangulo dahil ito'y personal. At ito naman po ay nasabi natin sa ating vlog, sa ating YouTube channel kung saan tayo explain ng mga legal implications ng conflict of interest, transfer, and pag-divest ng mga korporasyon na mayroong franchise. So, yun lamang po yun.